Happy Chinese New Year to everyone. In today's video, we are going to see the fraction questions for year 4 and year 5 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Fractions. Lisa brought some money for shopping. She spent 3/7 of it on a blouse and 2/5 of the remainder on a bracelet. If she had 192 left, how much money did she bring along? I will solve this question with both Singapore and the Indian methods. Let's first solve this question with Singapore method. Lisa had some money and she spent 3/7 of it. That means there are total 7 parts. So as you can see that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts are there. She spent 3 parts on a blouse. So as you can see that these 3 parts are spent on a blouse. And she said that 2/5 of the remainder on a bracelet. The remaining are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 4 parts I cannot divide it into 5 parts. So I need to take the multiples of 4 so that I can divide in 5 parts. If I take 5 times 2, that is 10. 4 parts I cannot divide it into 10. If I multiply 5 with 3, I will get 15. 4 parts I cannot divide it into 15 also. If I multiply 5 by 4, then I will get 20. I can easily divide 4 parts into 20 parts by dividing it by 5. Let's multiply 2 by 5 times 4 times 4. That will be given as 8 by 20. So the remaining 4 parts has been divided into 20 parts. If there are 20 parts here, that means I need to divide one box in 5 parts. As you can see that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have divided one box into 5 parts. Similarly, I have divided the next 3 parts also in the 5 parts. So I have now total 20 parts. If you can see that out of 20 parts, 8 parts are spent on a bracelet. So these are 5 parts, 6, 7, 8 parts. So these parts are spent on the bracelet. Then she said that she had 192 left. How many parts are there which are left? 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 parts are equal to $192. Let's write down here. 12 parts is equal to $192. I need to get the answer for one part. One part is given as 192 by 12, which will be given as $16. This part is $16. He said that how much money did she bring along? So in total, how much parts she had? She had 5 times 7 is 35 parts. I need to get the answer for 35 parts is equal to 16 times 35, which will be going to give you the answer as $560. She had initially $560. This is the way we can solve it by Singapore method. Now let's solve this question with the Indian method also. She said that Lisa bought some money. Let's suppose that the money is X. Let's suppose money is X dollars. She spent 3/7 of it on a blouse. I need to find out 3/7 of X is equal to 3/7 of X dollars. She spent it on a blouse. After that, she spent 2/5 of the remainder. How much is the remainder left? Before that we had X dollars. Now she spent 3/7 X. The remainder is X minus of 3/7 X. If I take the LCM here 7, this will be 7X minus of 3X is equal to 4X by 7. This is the remaining dollars you have. She spent 2/5 part of the remainder. That means I need to calculate 2/5 of 4x by 7 is how much? That will be written as 8x by $35. She spent on the bracelet. How much money is left? We had 4x by $7. Out of that she spent 8x by $35. The remaining money is 4x by 7 minus of 8x by 35. I need to make the denominator same. If I make the denominator same, this will be multiplied by 5. This will be multiplied by 5. The answer will be 20x minus of 8x divided by 35. 20 minus 8 is 12x divided by $35. This is the total money left. She said that she had 192 left. That means 12x over 35 is equal to $192. I need to get the answer for x. So x will be written as 192 times 35 over 12. I have multiplied 35 on this side and 12 I have divided this on this side. If you solve this, this answer will be equal to $560. This is the Indian method of solving the question. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.